Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your day-to-day, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. When your office is what you drive, drive a truck that's made from high-strength roll-form steel, giving you the toughest cargo box on the road. Load it up easily with help from the corner step rear bumper and haul and tow safely with trailer sway control and StabiliTrak. Relax while you tow in a quiet cabin insulated by triple seal inlaid doors and an aerodynamic windshield. And everyone will know you're coming with daytime running lights as you roll confidently with four-wheel anti-lock brakes. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, don't bother driving anything else but this Silverado. Stop by for a test drive today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.